Good morning. It's May 21st, and I've got a deal. I've got a Swarovski deal. These are Swarovski components. They made these in the early 2000s. They're really cool. As most of you know, Swarovski no longer sells to bead stores or to any store but their own store. In order to buy Swarovski, you got to buy from a Swarovski store. They don't make beads, they don't make components, they don't make any of those things anymore. This was from the heyday of that time period. We've got you probably can't see them, but you'll see it in the video coming up. We've got two different components that we're selling for $4 each. These are all Swarovski. Now these would make great bracelets. You got lots of holes all the way around to string too. Really cool. And without further ado, I'm sure you want to see them now, so we're going to show you. And before you do, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell for notification. You'll get notified when we get new videos. And
all right, I've got an interesting one for you guys. These were manufactured by Swarovski in the early 2000s. They got lots of holes to string to. I've got two different styles. We used to be a Swarovski distributor when Swarovski would actually sell. Look at this is like a flower. They stick up. Quite beautiful. When Swarovski used to sell to bead stores, they don't sell to beads. They don't sell it to anybody anymore except through their own stores. $4 each. That's just a crazy price on these. That's the price that these were in 2003 when we bought them. We're going to start blowing out a lot of Swarovski, I think, that we've got laying around components like this. So I've got two different styles today. Your choice, $4 each. Even got on the corner here you can string to, so it's like diamond shape like that. Pretty cool.